In today's video, we will show you the viruses that ravaged the world before COVID-19. The COVID-19 virus will forever be remembered in infamy as the one virus that shook a world that was never ready for it. Whether you are from a first world or third world country, no one is exempted from the dangers of COVID-19 that have collected millions and millions of lives. Here are some of the most dangerous viruses that has changed the course of human history. Rabies virus. Rabies was first discovered in the 18th and 19th centuries. It is a zoonotic animal disease that is transmissible to humans. Rabies causes hydrophobia or fear of water. It also causes insomnia, partial paralysis, hallucinations, anxiety and paranoia. The rabies vaccine invented by French chemist Louis Pasteur on July 6, 1885 has helped prevent the spread of the virus. 59,000 deaths per year is attributed to the rabies virus. Ebola virus was first discovered in the Democratic Republic of Congo in 1976. It spread to other parts of Africa, the United States and Europe. The Ebola virus was first acquired by humans through contact with the blood, organ secretions, or other bodily fluids of an infected animal. Bats were believed to carry the virus and transmit them to other animals. Ebola virus causes fever, body aches, diarrhea, and sometimes internal and external bleeding. When the virus spreads throughout the body, it damages the immune system and bodily organs. There is no cure for the Ebola virus. The virus has collected 11,300 lives. HIV or the human immunodeficiency virus. HIV or the human immunodeficiency virus was believed to have originated from chimpanzees that carried the simian immunodeficiency virus. In 1981, Ken Horn from San Francisco was identified as the first man to have contracted HIV, which then produced Marburg virus, discovered in 1967 when small outbreaks began among lab workers in Germany. Infected monkeys from Uganda were believed to be the bearers of the virus. Similar to Ebola, this virus can also cause hemorrhagic fever that leads to shock and organ failure. There is still no vaccine for the said virus. Hantavirus, also known as hantavirus pulmonary syndrome. First known when a Navajo man in the U.S. along with his fiancée died due to shortness of breath. People get the virus through the droppings of infected mice, specifically the deer mouse breed. Spanish flu began around 1914 and infected 40% of the world's population, or 500 million people. Has killed an estimated 50 million people. Attacks the respiratory system and is highly contagious. Common signs and symptoms of the flu include dry persistent cough, tiredness and weakness, shortness of breath, chills, sweats and aching muscles. To stay up to date the latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Dengue virus first appeared in the Philippines and Thailand during the 1950s. As per the World Health Organization, 50 to 100 million people get sick with dengue every year. Infected mosquitoes are the main carrier of the virus. Causes hemorrhagic fever. The Food and Drug Administration approved a vaccine for dengue last 2019. Rota virus causes severe diarrheal illness in babies and children. The virus spreads through the fecal-oral route, which means that small particles of feces end up being consumed. WHO has said that around 453,000 children have died because of the said virus. 2 vaccines have been created to combat the Rota virus. MERS-CoV virus. An outbreak in Saudi Arabia was first reported during 2012 and another outbreak in South Korea during 2015. Also known as the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, the MERS-CoV virus belongs to the same family as that of SARS-CoV and SARS-CoV-2 virus. The virus is believed to have originated from bats. Victims of the virus suffer from fever, shortness of breath and coughing. SARS-CoV-2 virus was first discovered in the Chinese city of Wuhan last December 2019. Has an estimated mortality rate of 2.3%. Fever, dry cough, shortness of breath are just some of its symptoms. Transmission of SARS-CoV-2 can occur through direct, indirect, or close contact with infected people through infected secretions such as saliva and respiratory secretions.
Thank you for watching Infotainment Connect. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the like the button and share. Infotainment Connect. Stay informed. Stay connected.